Here's a question that was sent to me. Individual has an existing gable roof home and wants to put a home addition on it with a floor plan that would look something like this. So again, the existing house here and the room addition here, it's going to come off of the back and kind of jog over and go like this. So you're going to have a ridge here on the existing gable roof. The rafters will slope down. And here we have it over here, except the only difference with this is that the gable roof here is going to span the entire distance of this rectangle here. And then this would give you a new ridge line here. And then you would have another gable roof that would encompass this section right here with the ridge line right here. And let's go ahead and take a look at it and see what it would look like in a perspective view. There it is. Existing home. Let's go ahead and turn it around. This would be the existing gable roof, and let's not get carried away there. And then this would be the new larger gable roof and the smaller pop out here. So hope that makes sense. And sometimes a video is worth a million words. I guess if a picture is worth 1,000 words, huh? So that's it. If you like the video, hit the old thumbs up button.